Hello everyone, welcome back to this another video by Mathmantis. My name is Lalit. Today we are going to explore a new Jupyter GIS tool that has been recently launched in our GIS society. So you can see this is a Jupyter GIS documentation. So Jupyter GIS is a Jupyter Lab extension for collaborative GIS. So it is designed to allow multiple people to work on the same geographical project simultaneously, and it also supports QGIS file to load in the Jupyter notebook, and you can do a lot of stuff from here. Okay, so this is the user guide. So let me show you how to install it first. So for the installation, it suggests either we use Mamba, Conda, or maybe we can directly use pip for the installation. So let me search Anaconda prompt here like this, and then let me install using pip install Jupyter GIS, right? I think this is yeah, Jupyter GIS. So let me run this. So it might take some time to install, right? Okay, so I have successfully installed this Jupyter GIS using pip. If you don't want to use pip, you can use this Mamba. I think there is also options to install using the Conda, right? So in the Docker, you can use this Docker run, and all of this. I'm not going to explore all of this right now. So let me close this. So I have some shape files here in this drive. So let me where okay, maybe here. Mm. All right, so I'm back here in my folder. So I'm going to press shift and right click. Then I am to open this terminal like this. Okay, so we have already installed our Jupyter GIS here. So let me open the Jupyter Lab here in my folder. Jupyter Lab, Jupyter Lab, right? So it might take some time. Great. So this is Jupyter Lab. Let me close this for now. Right. So you can see here there is a options to create a new JGIS editor, which stands for Jupyter GIS. Let me click here. So I have the options called sources, layer, and filter. Right. So first of all, let me load the base imagery. So from here, you can simply choose any of the base imagery. Let me choose this OpenStreetMap.mapnik, right? So let me click OK here. So this is the OpenStreetMap base imagery. Along with that, you can see that this imagery has been shown in the source, and the layers, from the layers you can turn on and turn off this imagery. If you want to add your custom shape file, you can go to this plus icon here. Then from the vector layer, you can upload either GeoJSON or shape file. I'm going to upload the shape file. So one of the issue I faced during uploading my shape file is it did not take .ssv format here, so I had to zip my all the files. So I have zipped my files here. So let me click browse. Inside the npl there is a file called district.zip. Let me select this, and let me click OK, right? So it's being uploaded here. You can see here is a name with custom shape file layer. Let me right click it and zoom to layer. Right, so this is a shape file of Nepal with all the districts. So you can rename this shape file. Just right click in the layer, rename. So let me rename it with districts underscore Nepal, right? Okay, like this. Let me upload another shape file. That is the major roads of Nepal. Let me browse this inside here. Okay, there is a zip file of the road. So let me open this, right? So like this. Let me rename this roads. Okay. If you want to change the symbology, you can right click and edit symbology, right? So fill color, I'm going to fill it with something like this, dark, and in the stroke color, let me make it very dark, right? So okay, so you can see this is a bit older, say, file of the roads of Nepal, but this is how you can upload your custom shape file, right? Uh, then let me see what other thing we can do here. Okay, inside the tutorial, let me this I have already done. So it's giving what is the function and what can we do here. So next, maybe we can move to this this feature. The feature is generate a shareable link, right? So let me close this and open this again. So if you want to work together simultaneously, you can invite your friends or colleague to work simultaneously. So here you can see there is a generate a shareable link here. So you copy this link and send to your friend, and if your friend open this link, you can both work in the same project together. So this is one of the beauty of this Jupyter GIS, right? Then next, so it is showing how can we do that, right? And then it also help you us to track the location and of the our friend who is contributing from their station. So we can also access our shared notebook right from here. But the interesting thing is that, okay, let me go to this. So it is saying that we can also open the .qgz, so which is a extension of QGIS file. So we can also open this format in our Jupyter lab, and we can do some changes using the Python feature here. So there is also options to use Python in Jupyter, sorry, in QGIS called PyQGIS. But if you want to do that stuff, write the code and analyze different files that are in your project in this .qgz extension, you can upload this QGIS file in this Jupyter lab, and you can do that here. And also you can share that file with your friends in the Jupyter GIS extension, right? So I don't find much of the things to explore here, but I think this is a pretty much good start from this contributor. I don't know who is the contributor here. So there is a contributor guide as well, as if you want to do some coding and make changes. So you can try it out. I'll pin this link in my comment section so you can check it out, and thank you for watching this video.